This is a window air conditioner that we have taken from a room and put it on a wooden stool in the laboratory to look into it and its various components and their functions. First of all, the first front portion, the control panel with various buttons, normally operated by remote control these days, and then a technical specification sheet mounted in the front side. Normally it gives the overview of the system. As you can see, this is a heating as well as of cooling type air conditioner, means this can be operated in heating mode or in cooling mode. In both cases, the heating or cooling capacity is 1550 watts, while it consumes 1.85 kilowatt of electricity by consuming about 8 ampere current at its full load. The refrigerant charged in the system is R22 with approximate one-time charging quantity of 1 kilogram. Now its various components. In case of cooling the machine will behave like this. The front portion which remains inside the room is this, will work as evaporator. This much portion remains inside the room and remaining portion backside up to condenser remains outside the room. Hanging on the wall. So we can see the cooling coil or evaporator or chilling unit having various copper pipes of different lengths connected with each other by means of leak-proof welding to avoid any possible leakage. The length of the pipes depend upon the cooling capacity of the system. Every pipe again having so many fins made of high thermal conductive material are mounted on the tube to increase the heat transfer area. As you can see here, the fins, very thin sheets. Now the side view. In the side view, you can see the double shaft condenser, fan motor and the blower motor. The blower motor is inside the evaporator. Since this is heating and cooling mode type air conditioner, so it has a solenoid valve. The condenser at the back. There is no difference between evaporator or condenser as far as shape, size and manufacturing is concerned, they are both same and they both are heat exchangers. So this is condenser unit at the back, and at the front the evaporator unit. The other components, the compressor, and some electric circuitry which is going to control panel from this side. The dryer filter and a small capillary tube. This one, small type meter tube. So this is the simple overview of the room air conditioner. In next video we will see the refrigeration cycle and function of various components. Thank you.